And we're filling the carburetor bowl with some gas so that it'll have something to start the engine on.
Okay.
Yeah, pouring out of there.
Okay.
Well, that should be enough to get it started.
Without filling up the gas tank.
Now we're just installing the rebuilt carburetor now. Well, we've laid all these spark plugs out again to see if they're all going to fire before we try to start the car up. So Morgan's going to turn the ignition on, he's going to push the starter, and we're going to see what happens. Go ahead, Morg. I see one there. Stop. Go ahead. Stop. Go ahead. Stop. Go ahead. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Try it again. Stop. Well, we're going ahead and putting back in the old spark plugs that have been sitting in the motor for 35 years or so, because they all seem to be firing, and see if it'll start up with them, just to see. If it does, then we got new ones we can put in, but I'm just curious to see if we can actually run this thing on as original equipment as possible. Start. Okay, Morgan, turn the key on. Turn the key on.
Make sure it's not in gear.
And turn it over. It's alive! It's alive! Well, I think that I choked I forgot to take the choke off, and that's why the engine died. Although it shouldn't have, because the choke has an automatic bypass valve in it. I think what more likely has happened is that the little bit of gas we were able to put in this carburetor bowl before we put the lid on it has run out, and the fuel pump has not pumped the gas from the gas tank. So we got to figure out a way to get some more gas in there.
You're gonna dump it in, right?
Wait till for me to tell you, because I got to get my finger on these two controls. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Keep going, stop. Start again. Keep going. Watch the fuel pump and see if you've got gas in the gas line. Watch the fuel pump, see if you got gas coming in that bowl.
You have oil though, but no fuel.
But I have oil pressure?
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going.
I think gas is coming in now.
Does it?
I think so.
I see it. Film it.
It's filming. He's running. Morgan back there, pushing the start key. Are you still having enough gas in? But yeah.
Battery charging.
Look at that.
Got oil pressure. Well, we got fuel pressure, we got oil pressure, we got the generator working, but as you can see, the generator is working on half a pulley. We don't have the back side of the pulley on the generator. The water pumps are pumping. They're not leaking as far as I can tell. The engine's warming up. All the spark plugs are firing. We're not missing any cylinders. We got all 8 running, so we're good to go.